Hey everyone, so in today's video we will learn how to make this striped treble crochet sweater which is actually beginner friendly. Look at this back, this looks so cute and I made the sleeves a little longer because I like these kind of sleeves. Yeah, you can just fold it to fit your size or you can just erase one stripe, this black one. This is so cute. So without wasting any time, let's start it. So here I'm using these three colors of yarn. This is cotton yarn and crochet hook is 6.5 mm, and we're gonna need a needle and a pair of scissors. So let's start it. So first we will work on one slip knot. For slip knot I'm using my thumb and ring finger, then make a cross like this, and now insert your hook, pull up a loop, turn it around, then make it tight. This is our slip knot. Now we will work on our foundation chain. We will do chain 50. For chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. This is our chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We need loose chains, so this is our chain 10. We will work till 50. This is our chain 50. Now we will add 2 more chains, 1 and 2. Now from this second opening we will work 1 treble crochet. For treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook while holding these rings, insert your hook into this chain. Now pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through next 2, then again yarn over, pull through last 2. Like this. Again we will work 1 treble crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through next 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. Like this we will work till the end with the treble crochet. Like this, complete the row. Let's do our last treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, our first row is complete now, and now we will do chain 4, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work. Now we will work 1 treble crochet in each of the stitch. This will be count as our first treble crochet. Skip this, go into this gap. We will work 1 treble crochet. Again yarn over twice to this gap, this stitch, 1 treble crochet. Like this we will complete the row. Our row 2 is almost finished. Let's work on our last treble crochets. Okay, so now let's see. This is where we did our chain 4 into this gap. These two right here. We will work our last treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert your hook, into this gap, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. You can see. Now this will go into the straight line. Again, work chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. We will skip this chain because our chain 4 will be counted as first treble crochet. To the next stitch, work treble crochets in each of the stitch. Like this, work till the end. Our third row is almost complete. Let's work on our last treble crochets, and after that we will change color. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Again. Now first, this is our second last stitch. In this our chain 4 will be our last stitch. Don't miss this stitch or else your stitches will be decreased. Pull through 2 and pull through 2. So yes, now we will chain 1 and cut this off. From here we will change our color. Now we are using white color. For white, again make a slip knot. Don't tight it. Now keep it aside where we did our last stitch. Insert your hook into this stitch. Then pull our slip stitch. From here we will do chain 4. 2, 3, and 4. Now turn your work. While securing this white end, we will work the same process, treble crochet in each of the stitch. Yarn over into this while securing the end. We will work treble crochet till the end. Our fourth row is almost complete. Let's work on our last 2 treble crochets. Then this are 4 chains. Okay, so this is our row 4. Again we will work chain 4, then treble crochet, again chain 4, turn your work, treble crochet. After 3 rows of white, we will change the color with the black. Then again we will use the same pattern, same color sequence. This sea green, white, black, sea green, white, black. Like this, complete till the end. So I have finished with 3 green color, 1, 2, 3 white, and 2 black. And if you want it too lengthy, you can increase 1 more row, or if you want to decrease the size, you can just work till this green row like this. Okay, now we will work for the back panel. Just use the same pattern and same colors, make it the same. Now with the black yarn, we will start to make our sleeves. For sleeves, again 1 slip stitch, one slip knot, And now we will work chain 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After chain 30, work 2 more chains, 1 and 2. Now we will work treble crochet by skipping 2 chains. Set your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Again into the next stitch, treble crochet. Like this, complete the row. After completing the row, then I did chain 4, then new row, like this, 3 rows of black yarn, 3 rows of green, white, black, green, white. Okay, so our one sleeve is complete. Let's make the other one. Our both back and front panel are complete now. This is our front. Well, both are same, and this one is our back panel. And also the sleeves are complete. Okay, so this is our one sleeve, and this one is the other one. Okay, now let's join both the front and back panel and these sleeves. To attach both front and back panel from this side, I'm using this white thread and a normal needle. So this is the needle that I'm going to use to attach the sides. Okay, so let's start it. So I'm using the thread, not the yarn, because it's very hard for the beginners to make a hidden stitch right here. So we will use the thread. It will be easy to hide. Just insert it in anywhere, make it tight, and then you're ready. First, right here, mark right here, make 2 knots. And after that, just attach the panels. You can insert your needle in anywhere. Don't forget to make it tight. And also hide this tail. This is all hidden in this side. Now we will work till, so these are the last 3 rows. We will work till this end, and these 3 colors will be our armhole. Let's finish. So now our both sides are connected till this white row. Now these are for armholes, but first we will attach our, we will do stitch right here, our sleeves. The process is same. Now our sleeve is also connected. Let's do the other one and attach this to our top. Our both sleeves are ready. Now we will attach our shoulder. For shoulder, we will count 15 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now to these 15 chains, we will attach these two ends. And yeah, these shoulders are attached. Now we will attach our armhole. For that, what we will do, we'll attach it from the inside. Open this neck. Now you can see this is our armhole, and these two rows we will attach it in this way. Let's finish this.